All right, this exercise is called the supine figure 4 pails and rails. So we're working on our hip external rotation. So we're gonna be laying on our back here. I want both feet flat on the ground, and we're gonna cross one leg over to make that figure 4 position here. I want your hands fixated on the ground, so our palms are facing down here. What we're gonna do is the pails activation is we are gonna drive this foot into the knee that it's placed on. So we're gonna drive it in for the prescribed amount of time, driving this knee down with it so that we open up that hip. Drive it down, then you're gonna take a deep breath in, and with the same motion, still driving that hip down, we wanna try to lift that heel off of the knee. And you're gonna hold that for the prescribed amount of time, making sure our back is flat on the ground. We're not arching up, and then place it back down and repeat.